Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw projects from Asana with custom export settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Asana project in your web browser. Locate the project you want to export. Click on the project title to access its details. In the project view, find the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Click on the three-dot menu to reveal additional options. Select the export option from the drop-down menu. You will see a list of export formats available. Choose CSV for a customizable export option. After selecting CSV, the file will begin downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, open the CSV file using a spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Now, let's customize the export settings. You can choose which columns to include in your export. Common columns include task name, due date, assignee, and status. To remove unwanted columns, simply hide them in your spreadsheet application. You can also rearrange columns by dragging them to your desired order. For further customization, consider applying filters to your spreadsheet. Filters will help you focus on specific tasks or assignees. You might want to sort tasks by due date or priority. After making your adjustments, be sure to save your customized file. Choose a descriptive name for your file to easily identify it later. If you need to share the exported data, attach the file in an email or upload it to a shared drive. That's how you withdraw projects from Asana with custom export settings. With these steps, your project data is now tailored to meet your needs. Feel free to revisit these instructions whenever you need to export again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.